Let's see if it goes.
See ya.
Just try with that switch, just because I'm pretty sure it won't go.
Oh, and it shows the odometer and everything.
Yeah. See, it won't.
Yeah, you have to.
Oh my god. That's a lot of smoke, man. It's been sitting for 2 years. You guys really don't understand how happy I am right now. I gotta figure out why the check engine light is wrong.
But keep that key.
Yeah.
That's what got you going, man. I said, I forgot I can clone the chip, man.
Yo, holy fuck, she ran. Oh shit, this shit is costing me money. That's all I'm saying to you guys. Wow. Wow. I gotta figure out why I was smoking so much around over here. Don't know why, if it's just the headers getting hot or what. I just know that this radiator gotta get replaced too, because it might not have no coolant in it from this little crack, but this whole thing is vented in, which I already have a radiator. It's gonna be some money. Bike making me broke right now. Well, as you guys seen, the bike finally started. Gave me a weird looking key. I'm not a fan of this, so I don't know, I might paint it or something. I'm not liking the blue on it. It's kind of cheap, but you know, it cost me some money, so I can't even say that. You know, it got my bike running, so I'm excited about that. Looking at the tank, this is one thing I definitely got to change, which I got another one right there, which obviously should tell you what the color is going to be on this somewhat beautiful bike, you know, even though I can't say that right now. But while we had it running, noticed a little leak. So damn, my knees are cracking. I'm old anyways. Yeah, we got a leak, which I don't know if it's just coming from the plug, because I reused the same washer, even though it was just to change the oil and basically, you know, put fresh fluids in the bike just to get it running after sitting for 2 years. So I already got enough oil to do another oil change and another oil filter. So much smoke came out of this damn bike, but it cleared up now, so that's a good thing. So yeah, I think next step now is just to actually take off this plastic, because all this got to come off regardless. So I'm not exactly sure on where the bike is leaking just yet, so gotta run it to find out exactly where it's coming from. Man, oh man. What I just found out was that this clamp, the clamp is good, but the cat portion is coming out. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's one thing. Other than that, some oil is also coming out from here, this hole. But then again, I feel like it could be residual oil from the bike being laid down and whatnot. This thing's still smoking. New exhaust. That would be nice though, but there's only one exhaust I want for this bike. And I wouldn't tell you guys what it is, but it's about like, I ain't gonna say how much, but yeah. So good to know that it's leaking oil, but it's not leaking oil. I don't know what to do about this. I don't know if I should change the header too, or just from this point back, because ain't no time, but there's definitely oil in that cat. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start swapping over the tank and the fuel pump. Hopefully this is easy, because I'm over it. I don't want to do anything. two connectors, two hoses. Oh. I hate dealing with fuel pumps. If you guys want to know. Alright, chill out. You're leaking too much. Hey, there should probably be like a gallon in here, maybe less. Definitely less. Did I watch a video of how to do this? No. Should I have? Yes. Hopefully this thing will slide back on there without giving me an issue, but listen, I live in the real world. Some of these YouTubers, they show you that, oh, it's simple, it's 1, 2, 3. Should be hard. Should be fucking hard. Sorry about that. Camera died. Got it in with the gasket. So trick to this, when you're pulling it out, putting it back in is easy. Putting it in, when you're pulling it out, you have to squeeze the casing of the fuel pump in order to get it to come out correctly, but it's still gonna be a pain, like, unless you have another hand or some shit, you know? It's just me, so I was just doing that. Just put the bolts on, I didn't screw it in yet, but just gotta tighten this down, put it back on the bike, put some fuel in it, start it back up, make sure I got no leaks. Damn, this white. Don't worry about this. I'm gonna change this no time soon. Not in a rush. That's not my priority. But damn, hold on. I gotta put the seat on there. Oh my god. But that white hitting though, white. I can't barely see the FK8. White. Don't mind my TL. Whatever. Oof. Damn, but this seat though. I got the seat for $180. Brand new, a regular basic seat goes for like $203 from Triumph. So $180. There's only one thing wrong with it, but nobody will ever know. But I'm gonna show you guys. Legit on the bottom. It's just this little crack. Well, chunk missing, really, not even a crack. But anyways, it's still gonna be able to bolt down. I don't care. All I gotta do left is just swap the gas tank over, well, the gas lid over. And no, I am not gonna be using this one. Got another one. So here's the new one. So when I bought my ignition switch, it came with the gas lid and the trunk key. Ooh, fits in there like a charm. Hey. Anyways, let me swap over my bolts and we'll be good. Now, just to show you guys, I'm a fast guy. By the way, I ain't fast. That should be plenty to get her started again. Let that thing prime up a little bit. We have 1 bar. Let's see. A few more primes. Start her up. That you guys are really digging this white on this gas tank. Hopefully the plastics match. Like I said, I'm not going with OEM sadly because it's way too much and I just want to ride as soon as possible. So with that being said, I know I'm missing 2 more bolts to put up. I have them. I'm tired. My dog got to go for a little walk because she's just chilling like. But anyways, on that note, thank you guys for watching the video. hopefully I make more and don't get lazy and not record them. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, hit me up, head up to IG, go follow it. Y'all know where to find me. Peace out. Look at all that smoke up there. Sheesh, how much oil's in there, boy?